about CIM, which is Computer-Integrated Manufacturing. Definition of CIM is the use of computer technique to integrated manufacturing activities. This integration refers to activities encompass all functions necessary to translate customer needs into final product. CIM starts with the development of a product concepts such as product design, specification, and extend through production into delivery and after-sales activities. The objective of CIM is to create automated manufacturing process which through the integration of computers, manufacturing can be faster and less error-prone. The advantage of CIM is 1. Increased product quality. The increase in quality of the product can be achieved through better design and better quality control in manufacturing operation. For instance, CAD is used to provide a well-done quality of the design itself, while CIM is to assure a high level of repeatability and further improve product quality. The second one is improve manufacturing planning, which is CIM can closely track and store any phase of planning data from every department of the manufacturing, thus will resulting a better control over manufacturing process and leading to a higher quality product and effective use of manufacturing resources.
Okay, next, this is other advantage of the CIM is lower product cost, which is CIM environment is efficient for the use in a company because in an assignment and reporting of manufacturing performed automatically without any delay. Thus, company can compete with the life cycle of the product, especially a high technology product. Next is greater market share of the product. CIM is flexible as it is designed to quickly respond to charge of operation when suddenly charging of market demand with the quick response and no difficulty in changing the operation. This allows company to react to the need of the market. Thus, it will resulting a greater market of share in that product.
The disadvantages in CIM. First, lack of planning. CIM success requires deliberate and careful planning of the technical element in conjunction with training from day one. Lack of understanding of the technology and suitable infrastructure to support the new technology, inappropriate matching of technology to organizational strengths and weaknesses will all contribute to the top management's failures to appreciate the promise of CIM. Second, process control. Computers may be used to assist the human operators of the manufacturing facility, but there must always be a competent engineer on hand to handle circumstances which could not be foreseen by the designers of the control software.
Next, I will explain about features of CIM. Okay, first of all, it has flexibility in product, volume, and material. Second is it has reduction in direct and indirect labor in various level and functional units, including middle management, engineering, administrative, and operation support. Okay, the third one, it improves productivity and quality of the product and improve interface between design and manufacturing. Furthermore, it has a better standardization and better material utilization. Okay, lastly, it has a common database which eliminates huge data storage by independent system. That's all.
Okay, next is implementation of CIM in the company. Some company will adapt many problems in a several issue, so the company will use CIM to prevent that problem. First, based on the strategy issue, according to general manufacturing industry, the absence of total management system and lack of cooperative supported work. So the company will intend to increase or give a supporting from the top management to the lower level workers, so some company will use highly skilled workforce. Okay, next, based on the organizational issue. In manufacturing industry, the problem include a lack of information technologies. So the company will design the organizational system to make the users in the company to be involved and to be tolerant in the all information related to the company. Okay, lastly is based on the behavioral issue. In general manufacturing industry, the company will use a computer training in the safe management and avoid any conflict in the management due to the problems. Some worker is lack a motivation.
Methodology for introducing company-integrated manufacturing technology in small companies has been developed, which aim to assess the capability and real application of the proposed approach. A case study is presented in this paper. The case study refers to a small Italian company producing pneumatic components under one of the leading trademarks in the world. Computer-integrated manufacturing technology provides companies with an excellent opportunity in order to compete in the present obligation context. The actual situation also favors small companies in developing and implementing CIM applications due to many concurrent factors.
Advantages CIM to the company. First, increase awareness at management level of the competitive potential offered by CIM solution. Second, availability of low-cost hardware and software tools with better performance and quality make CIM solution accessible even to limited budget companies. Third, technical improvement in the field of networking and personal computer allow for reliable distributed information system, providing the opportunity to use an affordable step-by-step approach while safeguarding integrity.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to tell about the implementation of this company with CIM. As a consequence, this CIM actually is a technology that represents particular for small companies one of the promising strategies which is might help in manufacturing this company product. As example, this CIM introduction actually is a small company, Interpromatica Sunda Berhad, working in the area of pneumatic component with the trademark of SMC, which is CIM as a component to help them in manufacturing the product. And Interpromatica Sunda Berhad has to involve integration problems on limited budget, which is CIM is helping them in limiting their budget. That's all from me. Thank you.
There are several strategic requirements to meet, which are: the first one is need to guarantee customer service by reducing lead times. This involves timely information, accurate delivery times, and a reliable logistics system. The second one is need to guarantee product and process quality. This requires accurate operation and process control to make quality certification possible. Last one is need to guarantee the setting up of a sales and timely corporate information system able to supply with each other, which online data required for operations and decision-making procedure.
Next, in the paper of Global Information Strategy and Functional Objective has been defined that in order to implement them into the small steps later on. Bearing this in mind that a detailed analysis of the actual procedures, operating routines, and production activities has been carried out. As a result, the poorly structured activities has been characterized. Then a redesign of the corporate internal information networks have been performed, leading back to the initial concept where the overall of the consistency of the project is checked. Okay, lastly, the proposed CIM system involves all the corporate function on a vertical level and all aspect of horizontal level, which is middle level and long-term level. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, in a small small Italian company, the approach taken in order to develop the CIM application is based on 4 main phases. Firstly is development of a general concept considering a top-down approach aimed at outlining a consistent overall scheme. Next is breakdown into modules, but it's still based on a top-down approach, but managed by taking limited problems and operating areas. Third one is gradual implementation based on bottom-up approach, having computerization as a goal. And lastly is integration based on a bottom-up approach aimed at recreating the initial innovation frameworks. Okay.